If your factory steering wheel buttons stopped working after installing an aftermarket stereo, don't worry, there's a fix for that. Today, I'm counting down 5 of the best steering wheel control interfaces you can get right now, starting with good options and working our way to my top pick. At number 5 is the Scosche GM2K WP Factory Stereo Replacement Interface Adapter. This one is built specifically for select GM vehicles. If you drive a compatible Chevy, GMC, Buick, or Cadillac and want to keep certain factory features when replacing the head unit, this adapter can make the process a lot smoother. I like that it's designed to preserve important functions that drivers often lose during an aftermarket radio installation. It's also a nice option if you want something vehicle-specific instead of a universal interface. The downside is that compatibility is limited. You really need to double-check your vehicle before buying. If you have a supported GM model, though, this can be a handy solution that takes some of the guesswork out of the installation. At number 4 is the PAC SWI RC1 Steering Wheel Control Interface. This interface has been around for quite a while, and there's a reason people still buy it. It works with a huge range of aftermarket head units and gives you a way to retain those steering wheel buttons that you've gotten used to using every day. I like its flexibility. It supports many radio brands and can be programmed to match different button layouts. Once it's set up properly, it does exactly what it's supposed to do. The setup process can take a little patience, especially for beginners. Programming requires paying attention to the instructions, and it's not always a plug-and-play experience. Still, it remains a dependable option that has earned a solid reputation. At number 3 is the PAC SWI CP2 Universal Analog and CAN Bus Steering Wheel Control Interface. This model steps things up by adding broader compatibility with modern vehicles. It supports both analog and CAN bus systems, which gives it a big advantage if you're dealing with newer cars that use more advanced electronics. One thing I appreciate here is its versatility. It can work with a wide range of aftermarket radios and vehicle configurations, making it a good choice for people who switch vehicles often or install systems in different cars. Programming is generally straightforward, but as with most interfaces, vehicle compatibility still matters. Taking a few minutes to verify fitment before ordering can save you a lot of frustration later. Before we get to the top 2, check the description box below. I've placed links to all of these steering wheel control interfaces on Amazon, so you can check compatibility, read more details, and see the latest deals. At number 2 is the Axxess ASWC1 Universal Steering Wheel Control Interface. This one has become incredibly popular because of its automatic programming capabilities. In many vehicles, it can detect the car and radio configuration by itself, which removes a lot of the hassle that usually comes with steering wheel control installations. That auto-detect feature is a huge advantage. Instead of manually programming every button, the interface handles much of the process on its own. It also supports a massive list of vehicles and aftermarket head units. Another thing I like is its reliability. Once installed correctly, the controls usually respond quickly and feel just as natural as they did with the factory radio. The only reason it doesn't take the top spot is that there are still situations where manual adjustments may be required, depending on the vehicle and stereo combination. And finally, at number 1, the best overall choice is the iDatalink Maestro SW Steering Wheel Control Adapter, model ADS-MSW. This is the interface I recommend most often because it balances compatibility, ease of setup, and long-term usability exceptionally well. The Maestro SW supports a large number of vehicles and aftermarket head units. Programming is handled through iDatalink system, which gives users clear setup instructions tailored to their specific vehicle. What really separates this adapter is how refined the experience feels. The button response is excellent, and the integration with supported radios is impressive. It feels less like adding an accessory and more like restoring a factory feature that was never supposed to disappear. The installation process is also well thought out. The instructions are easy to follow, and the software support helps eliminate a lot of the trial and error that can happen with other interfaces. If retaining steering wheel controls is high on your priority list, this adapter stands out as the most complete package in this category. That's my ranking of the 5 best steering wheel control interfaces available right now. If you want links to any of these products, check the description box below and see the latest deals on Amazon. And now I want to hear from you. What head unit are you running in your car? And did you keep your steering wheel controls? Drop your setup in the comments. If this video helped you out, hit the like button, subscribe for more car audio reviews and rankings, and I'll see you in the next one.